My dear brother Savage, this is a compilation of my 5 favorite movements together with the Macebell. Establish balance, slide that left hand to meet your right, position the Macebell slightly outside of your perimeter, index finger comes out to indicate in what direction you start the drop of your Macebell swing. Next up we have battle lunges. Some people appreciate this movement, some don't. I don't give a fuck. Do them because they absolutely fucking work. These will fire up your entire system. Study closely on how to move this accordingly. Next up, we're going to do a swing into a uppercut. This is a very challenging movement that requires a lot of energy because you are going to work in multiple planes in every single repetition. Make sure that you pivot in your ankle, knee, and hip joints simultaneously as you perform the uppercut. All right, next up we have a movement called 10 to 2. Some people bring their hands all the way down to the navel. I like to have it by my chest because it increases the pace. Last but not least, we're going to do swing into a squat. Grab, slowly lower it down so you don't hit your foot. It has happened, so I'm warning you. But this is it, my dear brother Savage. Let's fucking